guy's taking, hopefully that's our pot that he's taking out there, that we're going to have lunch. It's got a lid on it there. Been cooking al natural from the heat of the mountain. Put the hooks on there and lifting it out. Ooh, that's a good sized pot. Good sized pot there. Getting low on my battery here. Okay, here they come. We've just got a little bit of battery power left before we get back to the bus. Here's where all our stuff is cooking all over there in that section. Our pot's been taken out. So we're heading back to the bus. We're going to eat what was inside of that pot. Okay, a little hungry now, so all right. This is the tea plantation. It's tea, I think.
And those are what we call the new leaves. Those two are what we're going to use to make green tea and white tea. Because those teas are normally softer, not as strong, and so that's why we use the newer leaves. If you start looking to the older leaves, you'll see that they are darker, right? So that's what we call the second leaf. I'm trying to find a good example, but it's not really easy. This you are picking them to make tea. So for example, this one here. So these two will be used for the green and white tea.
This is the tea tasting room here.